It's a pleasure to have you here. This is the Apogee Duet 3, an extraordinary 2-channel USB audio interface that makes recording, streaming, and podcasting a joy with unmatched sound precision. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this audio interface at the best price in the market. The Duet 3 is designed to be your ultimate companion whether you're capturing vocals, guitars, keyboards, or any other instruments, delivering legendary clarity and a professional-grade finish. One of its standout features is the world-class preamps that offer up to 65 dB of gain with 48V phantom power, allowing you to record even the most demanding microphones cleanly and effortlessly. The onboard hardware DSP takes the pressure off your computer by running the Apogee Symphony ECS channel strip, letting you dial in the perfect sound while keeping latency practically zero, which is a huge advantage for live recording or streaming sessions. Its ultra-compact and sleek design makes it highly portable, and with the scratch-resistant cover glass and included travel case, your Duet 3 is protected whether you're on the road or in a studio. Another huge benefit is its cross-platform compatibility. It works flawlessly with macOS, Windows 10, and even iOS devices like iPhones and iPads, making it incredibly versatile for any setup. Being completely bus-powered, you never need to worry about carrying extra power cables, and this doesn't compromise the audio quality in any way. The package comes complete with the Duet 3 interface, a breakout cable, USB Type-C/Type-A cable, and a convenient travel case, so you have everything you need to start recording right away. Of course, no product is perfect. If you require more than 2 channels, you might need a larger interface, and the price point is premium, but considering the quality, portability, and professional-grade sound, it's truly worth it. Whether you're a musician, podcaster, or content creator, the Apogee Duet 3 elevates your audio experience to a professional level. Don't wait. Check the link in the description below to grab your Duet 3 and transform the way you record, stream, and create high-quality audio today.